I'm Yuki Bean, and I started working with Tanya about 7 years ago. So the project that we have listed on Consano is a little bit different from what our lab is used to working on. So we're used to working on ovarian cancer. This project has to do with endometrial cancer. But the interesting thing about endometrial cancer is it's similar to ovarian cancer in the sense that it's very under-researched, very underfunded, and not a lot of women know about it until they get diagnosed. So we are going to take what we know about PARP inhibitors in breast cancer, all of our expertise in ovarian cancer, and apply that to endometrial. And hopefully, through this Consano project, we'll be able to figure out whether the endometrial cancers are susceptible to PARP inhibitors, and then potentially open up a clinical trial that could start using the drugs that are already on the market and available to us to start helping women right away. Crowdfunding, I think, is amazing. It's really, with the social media and the way that technology is working these days, it's a wonderful way to try and get your message out and to try and get people involved who probably wouldn't be involved. They might hope that they could, or they might hear about the project but not even know how to help out. And a good example of that is a woman that I know who I reached out to as just my circle of friends, and she was very touched by it because she actually had been diagnosed with endometrial cancer several years ago, and she didn't really know how to get involved with things like this, and so she got her friends and everything involved, and so it's becoming this bigger and bigger. Like I always like to say, it's like circles in a pond when you throw in the pebble, and it gets bigger and bigger. And ovarian and endometrial cancers, they're not very well represented, they're not very well known, and to try and get some of these projects funded through the normal means, through grants, through federal funding, which is difficult to come by these days, even through philanthropy, it's difficult. So we're thinking outside the box. So we are just looking for people to learn about what we're doing, to be motivated by what we're doing, and to want to help out and either donate or share or both. And we thank you very much.